Do you want to be able to fix Instagram Music isn't available in your region? Well, then you have come to the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. And now the next step is going to be to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and in here we're going to click where it says settings. So click on settings in here, and as you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is perfect. I'm just going to scroll down in here and click on help, as you can see. So click on help, and in here I'm going to click where it says report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem in here. And now I'm just going to click on include and continue in here, as you can see, and I'm going to write something like this to Instagram. So just a second, I'm going to write Instagram Music isn't available in my region. Please fix this, because this is a very important function for my for my Instagram user experience, of course. So you can write something like this: Instagram Music isn't available in my region. Please fix this, because this is a very important function for my Instagram user experience. And what you need to do after that is just click on send in the top right corner. So click on send. And as you can see, thank you, your feedback helps make Instagram better. Basically, it always writes like this. But what you have done right now is to actually submit this to the Instagram support. And hopefully, after a couple of business days, this can be fixed for you. If it's not though, there is actually another fix that you can try as well. And that is basically, if you get a VPN on your mobile, I wouldn't recommend any specific VPN. Just make some research and find the one that you think is the best for you. And basically, after that, just switch your country to the country that is actually supporting Instagram Music, and that can be a way to fix this, basically. So yeah, this is exactly how you can actually do so. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.